Welcome back. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. Hi. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that, or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. We have the Black Friday Trendmood box, y'all. I wasted my money so you didn't have to. I am so excited to be disappointed. But before I get all Andy Rooney on these products, we have a sponsor, y'all. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community for beginners, pros, dabblers, and masters, with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people like you. Yes, even you. Skillshare allows you to explore new skills as well as deepen existing passions. The beauty of Skillshare is that they offer so many different classes, from crafts to web development and everything in between. There's something for everyone. So no matter what skill level you're at, Skillshare has your back. And with most classes under 60 minutes, you can find classes that fit your schedule. Skillshare is curated specifically for learning, meaning that there are no ads and they're always launching new premium classes, so you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. As some of y'all might know, I'll be moving, and the one thing I'm super excited about is decorating. We're moving to a place where it's just more than one bedroom. I know, I can't wrap my mind around it. I think the fact that I'm gonna have more than one bedroom is just mind-boggling. It doesn't feel real. No more living in the tiniest New York City apartment for me. So in thinking of how to style and design a rented space, it seems kind of a bit daunting to me. And thanks to Skillshare, I found a class to keep me at ease when thinking about freshening up the new space. Designed for renters, Reversible Interior Design is a class taught by Albie. As a longtime renter, Albie knows firsthand the struggle of making the home feel like you, especially when trying to make sure you're not losing your sweet, sweet security deposit. As someone who's not handy whatsoever, this is probably one of my favorite classes to take. It's actually right up there with my Excel class. And again, furthering my point that Skillshare has something for everyone. With that said, Skillshare wants to inspire creativity and learning. So the offer will now provide new students with a 1-month free trial. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, so you can start exploring your creativity today. Thank you again to Skillshare, and y'all go support the sponsors that support your garbage queen. All right. Double. What? Okay. So here's the funny thing about this box. I have no idea what's in it. I am so excited to open it. And I believe this box cost about $39 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it was actually $39.98 because I got route package protection. Love that for me. And I have no idea what's in it. Listen, I love me a good mystery box. I love getting disappointed and I cannot wait to rip this open. So without further ado, let's rip this bitch open. Ooh, paper. That was anticlimactic. Okay, so here are all the products that you get in the box. Starting with the first thing, this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Dewy Set Setting Spray. And I'm assuming this is in probably the scent pineapple. I hope so. Otherwise, I don't know why there's pineapples on the fucking box, but whatever, who cares? Let's see. No lie, I've actually always wanted to try this Dewy Setting Spray, but then people told me it's awful and that it's the equivalent of putting salad dressing oil on your face. So I have no expectations, but let's give this bitch a whirl. I do like the locking mechanism. That's pretty fucking cool. But all right, let's spray my face. Okay, first and foremost, hold on. Sometimes with like scented setting sprays, it burns my skin as if I'm walking into a church. But this is not bad for something that is scented. It's pleasant. It kind of has like I'm on vacation but not really kind of vibes. It's kind of what I imagine someone who's about to have a nervous breakdown at their job, and instead of like, you know, talking to their colleagues and stuff like that, and they're hunched over in a bathroom stall eating a tropical yogurt. That's what this smells like. I know that's very specific. This is not about me. First of all, I don't even eat yogurt. But I do know plenty of coworkers that have done something similar to that. This is probably best described as there's only 55 more days to vacation. So yeah, all right, this is actually not bad. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. It smells good. It smells like, you know, false hope. So I like that. I really do. The next product is from Dominique Cosmetics. And this is, ooh, it's a lipstick in the shade Nude Cocoa. And I'm sorry, I think, didn't we get a Dominique Cosmetics one in the last Trendmood box, right? I'm not crazy, am I? Obviously, I don't know how to open boxes. All right, really? Really? You dumb bitch? Really? Okay. Okay, come on, come on. Ooh, oh yes, bitch. Okay, this is a basic bitch color. Oh, absolutely. I actually really like Dominique Cosmetics lipsticks. Their eyeshadow palettes I'm not a huge fan of. I think the Latte palette's probably the best one, but their lipsticks are always super creamy, very hydrating, and just comfortable to wear. So I'm actually quite excited to have this. So far, so good, y'all. I'm actually quite surprised. The next thing is from NYX, and this is the Marshmallow Primer. Can I tell you, I have been I have been wanting to try this for so long, and every time I try to find it in the drugstore, it's never available. It's always sold out. I have heard mixed things. I've heard this is amazing. I've also heard this is terrible. NYX, you know, I feel like NYX is just one of those brands that they used to be a lot cooler. Ooh, oh, that smells fucking divine. I could fucking eat this. As for a primer, it's very, very whipped. It feels incredibly creamy. I mean, this feels good. But obviously, you know, this is on my hand and not my fucking face. So we're gonna give this a whirl, but I'm actually kind of low-key excited to have this. I kind of feel like this is like a TikTok box, and I'm okay with that. I'm an old lady, okay? So just trying to hang on to my youth here. The next product is from Glow Skin Beauty, and this is the BioRenew EGF drops. I don't know what that means, but it sounds fabulous. What the fuck do you do with this? Formulated to restore and strengthen and rejuvenate skin, this reparative serum combines 100% vegan EGF with a bioactive peptide recovery complex for a youthful glow. Okay, okay. I love me a good serum. I'm all about it. The last time I opened a Trendmood box, there was a shitload of glow stuff in there. Glow, I want to call it Glow Recipe so badly. No, Glow Skin Beauty. And I remember it was like a weird fucking science kit, but also kind of doubled as like something that I would see out of NCIS. And yeah, it wasn't fun. It was like a, I think it was like a Q-tip, a cotton pad, some really weird liquid. I don't know. It was like, I feel like I should be doing some sort of fucking test results in a field. But okay. Listen, I love me a good glowy serum. I love anything that turns back the hands of time, so we're just gonna give this fucker a whirl. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know down below if you have tried this company and if you liked it, if you hate it. Kind of based on my one experience with Trendmood, I kind of walked the other way because it just looks so fucking complicated. The next product is from e.l.f. and this is a Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. Wait, do I have this one? I do not know if I have this one. Wait, is this a new one? Didn't they come out? They came out with the Mood Mascara, which wasn't bad. But I don't know if this is actually a new one. Hold on, let's Google. Let's Google, kids. Apparently it came out last year. So I actually never heard of this product. I don't... We're gonna give it a whirl. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Listen, I wasted my money so you didn't have to. All right, so the next product is another thing from e.l.f. Okay, so this is the booster drops. These are hydrating booster drops. This lightweight booster supercharges your routine to help create a hydrated, plump looking skin. These concentrated drops can be used alone or added with any foundation, liquid, or cream. Okay, listen, I actually have been kind of enjoying e.l.f. skincare. They make a really wonderful, like, was it, I think it was like a CBD or a hemp sleeping mask. I'm just gonna put it right here. This, I would get up right now, but I'm being a lazy piece of shit. It's actually in my medicine cabinet in my bathroom, and that is a great fucking sleeping mask. So I'm curious to try this out and see how well this works, but I love anything that provides hydration to my dry, dehydrated, uncooked chicken skin, so I'll take it. And then last but not least, we have something from One Size, which is Patrick Starr's brand, and this is the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. That's interesting that we would get 2 primers in this box. Huh, okay. Okay, but let's see. I don't think I've actually heard anything about this primer. Or anything really about this brand. I don't know, like... Okay. Ooh, bitch. Come on. It was all that effort, and I don't even think you could fucking see it. All right. All right, let's see. Ooh, this is a thick boy. It feels very mattifying. Took any kind of shine out of my hand immediately. I mean, actually I shouldn't have smelled my hand because it smells like marshmallow. But, oh yeah. Okay, so this is an ultra blurring, pore refining primer with niacinamide that mattifies and evens out skin's texture as it grips makeup for flawless application. Okay, all right. It's very fucking matte, as you can tell from like, this is the hand I put it on and then this is the other. Actually, hold on, let's see. Let me put a little, ooh. that's splooged out. I'm sure you can see the difference. This one looks super hydrated. This one is very, very matte. But I will say though, my skin kind of looks blurred. It's really creepy. It doesn't feel tight either. So I'm actually kind of curious to try this on some parts of my face. Not all of it, but maybe around my pores. This could be pretty cool. So, okay, all right. I'm not mad at it. It's a welcome change. So, all right, for $39, this is what you get. I mean, yeah, this was definitely a waste of money. I'm not entirely upset with these products, right? Like the marshmallow primer, I'm actually intrigued to try it because, like I said, it went viral on TikTok. So I'm really curious to play with this and see if it's any good. This I've always wanted to get, but I've always heard mixed results, and it smells like a sad woman's paradise. So I'm like, I kind of keep waffling back and forth. Like I'm excited, but like also you couldn't throw in a fucking full-size version? Like really? Okay, all right, fine, whatever. And then we have the one size. Kind of weird that they put 2 primers in one box. Kind of weird, but okay, fine. This is definitely a mattifying primer. We'll try it. The lipstick is fine. It's a basic bitch color, and I actually really like Dominique Cosmetics formula, so I'm actually not that mad about it. The glow skincare stuff, you know, I think it kind of leaves such a weird taste in my mouth the last time I opened a Trendmood box, being that it was a fucking science project. So I really don't have any expectation. I hope this proves me wrong and I fall in love with it, but it's not bad, but like compared to the possibilities of anything else, like I'm not super fucking jazzed about it, you know what I mean? And then you have e.l.f. e.l.f. I feel like is such a fucking cop out. These things are literally what, $3 a piece? Like come on. Like, come on, like, I don't know. Or on the other hand, maybe they could have just had one e.l.f. product and not 2, and they could have introduced another brand. That's kind of weird that they put 2 e.l.f. products back to back, but okay, fine. So yeah, you know, for $39, I definitely wasted my money. But out of all the subscription boxes and stuff that I do open, this is probably one of the best ones. So think about that statement, okay? Think about that statement. This is probably the best version of any subscription box that I open on this channel. Exactly. Exactly. All right, anyway, with that said, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you actually picked up the Trendmood Black Friday box. And if you did, was this your variation? Or did you get something different? Let me know, because I love hearing from you. And again, I want to say thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video and just allowing me to be a garbage person. I truly appreciate it. With that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, to all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. If you want to know what's currently on my nails, ooh, along with where to get this fun tablecloth, which honestly I feel like this is probably the best part of the video. Everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins tomorrow. Bye.